Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Headphones On podcast. I'm your host, Dylan the Waterboy, and today I am joined with co-host William, epic gamer Zach, and Seth.
Hi.
Yep.
Yeah, man, that's right. I am an epic gamer.
It's been a while since we've just already had a subject planned, but today we're talking about chicken.
We're not getting kicked out of here today. No. Pick up your food you threw on the floor. Sorry about interrupting.
Yeah. So today we're going to talk about chicken.
My request.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Can't have enough of it.
Uh-huh.
Sponsored by Colonel Sanders himself.
Oh, damn.
Are you a white meat or a dark meat?
You mean I'm both.
Oh my god. That's right. In my book, this is sort of related to chicken. Because that's Colonel Sanders in it. In my book,
It's not mine.
you know what book I'm reading, right?
Uh-huh.
In one of the first pages, you see one of the main characters dressed up as Colonel Sanders and also as Ronald McDonald. And they're just on a bench. Colonel Sanders is just hugging Ronald McDonald, and Ronald McDonald's just staring straight forward, smiling. With, for some odd reason, a little circle on his chest saying "kill." I don't know why it says "kill," but maybe it's because of Japan's. It's a Japan book, and from Japan, McDonald's commercials. Ronald McDonald is pretty much a killer.
What?
And he just like chases people around.
I'm
And
sorry,
it's like,
what?
McDonald's. It is terrifying. I'll show you one day. But
One day.
back to chicken.
Is it like the Big Bird thing that we saw?
So like I said before, who's a dark meat fan and who's a white meat fan?
White.
White.
I just like chicken. I like the crunchy
Same.
chicken.
Either.
I prefer
Okay.
white meat.
What kind of chicken do you like? Like, do you like it fried?
Fried,
Do you like it
yes.
do you like it like rotisserie or?
Fried, definitely
Fried. I love the crunchiness.
It has to be fried, man.
Yeah, I know. Like, we all agree
Fried
with that.
and deep fried. Though I do like me a rotisserie chicken. But the
Like,
problem is, they don't
see-
have really any flavor.
See, I like it, but I only like it occasionally. Like, if you eat it like almost one every week, I mean, by the time I'm done with the second one, I'm like, oh, here we go again. But it's like, fried chicken, I could eat that thing all week.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Exactly.
I'm there with you. But... So, what else we're going to talk about
I'd
chicken
like to
stuff?
dedicate this moment to do a poem that I thought was very sweet.
Oh, yeah, sure, because it technically counts.
Okay. Roses are red, walls are plaster, the children are fast, the Big Bird is faster.
I have that meme saved in my phone.
The reason why he brought that up was because Blake, the chicken lord,
Oh,
he
no.
sent it to us during Discord one day.
You mean he sent that along with 1,500 other stuff?
Oh yeah, that was just
Guys,
full of memes.
I figured out how to hail the chicken lord. All hail the chicken lord.
No, we're not Nazis here.
Exactly, but the
Oh,
chicken lord
oh,
is.
oh.
No,
I
he's not.
have a song about Adolf Hitler.
Oh no.
You guys
Oh,
ready?
yes.
No, no.
Yes.
What have we started?
And a 1, 2, 3, 4. I hate Jews. Jews hate me. Let's get together, start World War III.
Oh my gosh.
I'm still working on it.
I will say that is perfectly made.
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, Trump has 20/20 vision. He's gonna be out there on that field just one right after the other. You know what I mean, man?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up Discord. See
Oh
what
my
type
God.
of memes that chicken lord sent us.
Yeah, let's take 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes, seconds,
If it ever loads.
10 seconds, just as a moment of silence for Chicken Lord.
Well, hey, and veterans.
Yeah, that too.
Oh,
I
yeah.
guess.
We'll do it for the chicken lord, and then we'll have like.
Yeah. Alright, starting now. All right. And now,
We will have a 30-second silence for veterans.
20.
Okay.
Starting now. Alrighty. So, this podcast
Why are you
taking
so
a
close to
turn.
me? Please don't be too close.
We went from chicken
To stealing other people's wallets.
Yeah, it's okay because I don't have any money.
But now you do.
Yeah, the pennies that I threw at William earlier.
Hey, could you hand me the good stuff?
What's the good stuff? Oh, your purple lettuce.
Damn it.
Sketch.
Um.
Yes, payment.
I've never tried this
I'm
purple lettuce.
It's actually pretty good. It was wrong fry with a favorite pop tart in your mouth.
Great.
It tastes horrible.
Oh yeah.
Really? That's how we got kicked out last time. Don't do that.
That's
Please
okay.
don't.
I need to hold this since you ate it.
Since he made it, what?
Ate it.
Dylan,
I handed
are
it to
you
him.
some cabbage? Are you some cabbage farmer?
I just
Oh.
handed it to him and he ate it out of the palm of my hand. It was disturbing.
I'm a dang old fish.
Oh
A
shit.
fish. A fish. I want to see some fish.
Get it?
Mother of God.
So you know what 173 is, right?
1, 2, 3.
173.
Black butt peanut.
Stick butt penis. Alright. While William shows off memes, I'm going to play some
Yeah.
satisfying sounds of pennies being thrown towards the microphone.
And also lose them in the process.
Was that satisfying for all of you?
Down. It will be satisfying again
Why
because I'm
you
going to bounce
lost?
back.
Back up.
I want to see.
They don't want to load. Give me a second. Wait, Dylan, do you have one of these? Do you have one of these?
Meme stealing license?
Dylan, we lost one to the void. I shall go in and get it. Come here, Betty.
God bless
And kick him in.
Dylan,
Mm-hmm.
I come back from the void.
With thine
Mission
penny.
accomplished.
9 penny.
Alright. This is gonna, like, I'm gonna listen to this after we record it, and it's gonna be so unsatisfying, because you're just gonna be thinking,
Jacob, welcome into the office, please. Jacob, welcome into the office.
Fuck you!
Nobody cares.
I keep telling
Nobody
you.
cares.
I keep telling you.
Okay.
One day, she's gonna respond and be like, hey, that wasn't nice.
And
Don't
I'm
say
gonna
that.
love that day.
Okay. So, back to chicken.
Yeah, so, you see, there's one problem with chicken.
What?
It is too good, right?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
But
well-
there's another problem. So, here's a pretty big problem that we're having today. People are making a lot of chicken flavored things.
Oh, God.
Chicken flavored candy cane. I've seen it, and I want to try it. You know, I
Okay,
should think
there's
about
Flavored
it.
ice cream.
Chicken flavored candy canes, chicken flavored soda.
Yeah. They also have bacon flavored soda.
Yeah, big.
Yeah, I don't want to try either of those.
They had a bacon trend, and now they also have a chicken trend.
Yeah. I mean, the list goes on. But the best thing about chicken, though, is one day you might be craving turkey, duck, and chicken. And you'll go, huh, I wish I could eat turkey, duck, and chicken
Oh,
at
no.
the same time.
I see where this is going.
That's actually
Well,
something.
then, they invented the turducken,
Exactly.
which is a chicken inside a inside a duck inside a turkey.
Jesus.
So that's why, with help with JonTron, the turducken should definitely become the Christmas ham or the Thanksgiving turkey of Halloween.
Christmas ham.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, imagine, like, it's the Frankenstein of foods. You know?
Yeah.
So, so I think, with help of JonTron, that the turducken should become the food of Halloween. Who's with me?
I mean, I don't know, man. It's up to you.
Turducken for the Halloween thing? Yeah. Join. Yeah.
But you know who I feel bad for?
People.
No.
Snickles?
What is the one candy's name?
Snickers.
Yeah, Snicker Pickles. Remember that?
I wish not to.
You know the computers have latches that open it so you can see the inside?
Uh-huh.
I want to do that, but put, like, really obnoxious things in them. Like 20 Snickers bars in one.
It's just like, there's something wrong with this computer. Let's open it up and see. There's a candy bar in it.
Oh,
What the
Barry.
fuck?
Oh, look, it's Snickers. I've been craving a Snicker.
Wait, what's that? Ew, disgusting. It's a tarantula.
Oh,
Just opens the computer up, finds a tarantula. Looks like we have a bug.
Been
Hey.
looking at too many cockroaches.
Or you know what though? Dylan, you want to know what I really badly wanted to do to your game that you told me that I should make for money?
Yeah.
I wanted to put a little cockroach and have a little type bubble above him saying, "Please don't report me."
No, you know what? I want to pull a prank on somebody where their computer isn't working. Like, I want to find somebody whose computer isn't working, sneak a cockroach in it, and say, it has a bug. We need to fix it. Open up the computer, just scurries out. Alright, you're fixed.
Yeah, I've seen this on the interwebs. Someone took an original Windows box computer PC. They took all the stuff out and turned it into a gaming PC with, like, top of the line equipment
Damn.
inside the PC, but it looks like a vintage.
Did it
Windows.
still take forever?
Oh,
No.
probably not. I mean, it's probably gonna have, like, super high
So
running.
just look like that computer, but has like
Older.
storage capacity and like efficientness of like Ninja's computer.
Much older than that.
Oh damn. You mean like the?
All right. Well,
ones that look like
we're
bookshelves?
approaching our time to go. So is there anything you would like to say, starting with William?
Start the Nazi revolution.
I said William.
Stay in school, don't do drugs, and don't go to ISS.
Because you'll get comfortable. All right, Seth. Anything
Start the
you'd like to
Nazi
say?
Revolution.
What?
Start the Nazi revolution.
What? Start the what?
The Nazi Revolution.
One more time.
The Nazi Revolution!
All
Okay,
right.
one thing I would like to
You
say,
need some Jew ear
right,
juice.
and finally, Zach.
World War III is coming.
Oh yeah.
All
of
hail,
course.
all hail America.
The Jewish attacked Germany. We're gonna
They just-
incinerate them all.
It's just like they all have miniguns. Take this, Nazi scum.
No, they all have hair dryers. They're like, I'm gonna gas you out. Oh, wait, no. Anyways, so with all that being said, if you're listening to this in the morning, good morning. If you're listening to this in the or at night, good night. If you're listening to this in the evening, why are you listening to a podcast in the evening? Do you think you're better than everyone else or something?
Probably
Like,
do.
I mean, most people listen to podcasts so they can fall asleep, not so they can avoid doing work. So, yeah, you better start listening to podcasts in the morning or in the evening. You disrespectful,
It's this one.
disgraceful
Hey
piece
man,
of shit.
if they listen to it in the evening and they're trying to avoid work, they'll fall asleep. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Maybe they're just bored.
good point.
Maybe they're just bored.
I mean, that's true, but, like, I don't want to do that. Well, with all that being said, thank you, New York. This has been Headphones On. Night, folks.